Good morning, student. Now we'll come to chapter 3, integers. Now under integers we'll study first the what are integers, and then the addition of integers, then subtraction of integers, and then opposite numbers. So we'll just brush up what is the meaning of natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So that means it is an innumerable number. But if we include 0 to this number, what we get as a whole numbers. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the number, if this collection has 0, it is called as a whole numbers. Now only these numbers are there? No, there are negative numbers also exist. So if we put the whole numbers and the negative numbers together, the new collection of numbers will look like how it will look. This is a negative number -4, -3, -2, -1, and these are the positive numbers. Okay, now this is -1, -2, -3, -4 negative numbers, then 1, 2, 3, 4 positive numbers, and if we include this 0, so these are the whole numbers. So this, it is known as what? Integers. So you can see the diagram. Natural number starts from 1, 2, 3. If you put 0 before 1, you get the whole number. Then including this 0 natural numbers and the negative numbers, you will get integers. So you can see here 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then minus. So this everything, so this called as an integer. So integer consists of what? It consists of the positive numbers and the negative numbers including 0. So these are known as the integers. Now integers are represented on the number line in the following way. How? Now it is ahead, on the right side of the 0, which number you will get? Positives. On the left side of the 0, which number you will get? So you will get the negative number. So it is said that numbers to the left of the 0, so these are the negative integers, while numbers to the right of the 0 are the positive integers. So I think this is clear to you, what is the meaning of positive and what is the meaning of negative and what is the meaning of whole numbers. Whole numbers, remember, if the number has a 0, so that means it is a whole number. Starting from the 0, it is a whole numbers, and the natural numbers doesn't contain 0. Okay, now we'll move to the next topic. So that is on the number line. The number increases as we move towards the right. Now suppose this is a number line. Okay, it is 0, it is given, so here it is a positive number, so increases towards the right. Now why? Because positive numbers are there, and decreases as we move towards the left. Now we are moving towards the left of the 0, so the number decreases. So how you write the order of integers? So minus, if these numbers are given -4, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, how to write? So therefore what is there? -3 will be less than -2, and -2 will be less than -1, and -1 will be less than 0. 0 is less than 1, so that means the 1 is greater than 0. If 0 is less than 1, so that means 1 is greater. 1 is less than 2, of course 1 is less than 2. So 2 is greater than 1 and 2 is less than 3. So like this. Now as we move towards the left, okay, as we move towards the left, so -1, if you compare -1 and -2, which will be greater? -1, it is greater. Similarly, if we compare -3 and -4, which number will be greater? -3 will be greater. So I think this is clear to you. And for the positive, you know, if we compare 4 and 6, 6 is greater. If we compare 6 and 8, 8 it is greater. So for the positive, the number which is bigger, so that is greater. But for the negative, the number which is less, that is greater. So if you compare -2 and -7, which is greater? -2 will be greater. So remember, for the negative, the number which is less, that is greater. Now here it is there, addition of integers, so positive plus the negative. Now example it is given, 5 and -2. It is because these two numbers are opposite in sign, what you have to do? You have to subtract. Why? Because the numbers are opposite in sign. So we'll do 6 minus 2. Here it is written as 5. Only the example I have taken. If it is 6, okay, 6. So here it will be 6, it will come. So 6 minus 2, what is the answer? 4. Now this, which is a bigger number? Bigger integer is 6. And what is the sign? It is plus. So the answer will be in plus. How to represent in the number line? It is given 6. Okay, so we are moving 6 na. 6 digits from the 0. Then afterwards it is minus 2. So back you have to move. What answer you will get? 4. So that is the answer 4. Now next it is, if you take the example of, for one number it is a negative. So first number is negative and the second number it is a positive. So the two numbers are having the opposite sign, so you have to subtract. So that is 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? It is 1. And what is, which is a bigger number, 5 or 4? 5 is a bigger number. So what is the sign of the 5? Minus. So after getting the answer, you have to put the sign. So if the two numbers have the opposite sign, you have to do the subtraction. But if the two numbers have the same sign, you have to add only. So here it is 3 and 4. Since these two numbers have the plus sign, same sign, so do the addition and put the plus sign. Now for the numbers having the plus sign, no need to put the sign. Only for the minus, you have to put the sign in the answer. Just as 1 it is there. 1, the answer it is minus 1. So you have to put minus sign. If the answer comes in plus, no need to put the sign. It is not necessary to put the sign. Now how to show this in the number line? So it is at plus 3. So we have moved from the 0 to the 3 points front towards the right side, and then plus 4. Plus 4 means it will be towards the right side of the 0. So plus 4, you get 7. Now negative plus negative. Now since these two numbers have the same sign, now you have to add it. You have to add it, and which sign you will be put? Minus sign. So here it is given as, from 0 you have to go to the minus 2. So here it is. And since minus 5 it is there, you have to move towards the left of the 0. What answer you will get? Minus 7. This is how you show on the number line. Always remember, if the two number has the same sign, you have to add it. And what is the sign the number is having? That sign you have to apply. So I think this is clear about the addition of integers. Now we'll come to the set 4, page number 15. Classify the following numbers as a positive and negative. You know which numbers are positive. Minus 5 it is a negative, plus 4 is positive, minus 2 it is a negative. So minus 2 it is a negative. Now numbers having the minus sign, just as minus 49, minus 37, minus 25, minus 4, minus 12. So these are all the negative numbers, rest are the positive numbers. Now next it is given the question. You can refer to the page number 15 for the question. It is said that given below are the temperature in some cities, write them using the proper sign. Now it is given Shimla 7 degree below 0. So below 0, so what it will be? It will be minus. Now it is Leh, it is given 12 degree above 0. Above 0, so that means to the right of 0. So sorry, it is below 0. So below 0 it will be minus. Then Delhi, it is 22 degrees Celsius above 0. Above, so that means it will be plus. And if it is given 31, Nagpur 31 degrees Celsius above 0, so that means it is plus. So these are the answers. Now come to the third, it is question you refer for the textbook. A submarine is at a depth. Below the sea level is at a depth. So that means it will be minus. Then Mount Everest, it has the highest peak. Okay, so that means it will be plus. Then kite is flying at a distance from the ground. So that means it will be plus. Then afterwards a tunnel is at a depth under the ground. So that means it is below. So that it will be minus 2. So with that we finish with the set 4. Now come to the set 5. Now addition I have already explained what it is. Now it is given 8 plus 6. So you know the addition what it is. 9 plus minus 3 here. 9 is having, for the sign we have to refer to the back side of the number. 9 is having which sign? Plus. 3 is having which sign? Minus. Since the two numbers have the opposite sign, you have to do the subtraction, get the answer. Here also the two numbers are there having opposite sign and get the answer. But here 6 is greater than 5. 6 is having which sign? Minus. So you have to do here minus. Now next it is minus 7 plus 2. You have to do the subtraction. 7 is greater than 2. 7 is having minus sign. So put minus sign. Now minus 8 plus 0. Okay. Now here it is. You have to do the subtraction. 8 is greater, but 8 is having which sign? Minus, so answer will come in minus. Next it is minus 5 plus of minus 2. Now both the numbers are having the same sign, so you have to do the addition and put the minus sign. Now complete the table. I have written the answer. You can copy it down. Now we'll come to the next topic as opposite numbers. Opposite numbers means if only the sign changes, just as minus 2, what is the opposite of minus 2? It will be plus 2. If I say plus 16, opposite of plus 16, minus 16. If I say minus 26, opposite of minus 26, plus 26. So what is said that if we add the numbers like minus 2 and plus 2, what we'll get? We'll get the result as 0. So these are called as opposite numbers. Here it is. You can take any example. If you take minus 1, what is opposite of minus 1? Plus 1. So minus 1 and plus 1 will be 0. Take any example. Minus 4 plus 4 will be 0. So sum of two opposite number is always 0. So here I have solved the set 6. What is the number is given as 47? What will be the opposite? Only put a minus sign and write the number as it is. So plus 52, you have to write the number and you have to put the sign. Instead of plus, what is opposite of plus? Minus. If it is given minus, what is opposite of minus? Plus. So you write it. If here also minus 84, what is opposite of minus? Plus. So I written here plus. Opposite of minus 21, plus 21. Opposite of plus 16, minus 16. Opposite of minus 26, plus 26. Opposite of 80, minus 80. So this, it is a set 6. Now some important points you have to remember. Any positive integer is always greater than negative integer. Yes, positive integer 1 it is there, and minus 1, which is greater? 1 will be greater. 0 is less than every positive integer. If you compare 0 and 1, or if you compare 0 and 2, 0 is less and 2 is greater. 0 is greater than every negative integer. That you have to remember. If you compare 0 and minus 1, which is greater? 0 will be greater and not minus 1. Okay, if you compare 0 and minus 2, between the 0 and the negative integer, 0 is greater. Next, it is 0 doesn't come in any of the negative and the positive integers. So 0, it doesn't have any sign. So you can't include 0 for the positive and for the negative integers. So students, with this we have finished with the set 6. Okay, and in the next we'll continue with the set 7 and whatever it is remaining. So comparing of integers and the subtraction of the integers. You can copy down the answers from the slides, and whatever the notes are there for natural numbers, whole numbers, so that I will give you.